everyone. Today we're going to make a video on integrating MST Pro with online multiplayer framework and Steam integration kit. So the first thing you want to do is download and install the Steam integration kit. Once that's installed, you want to open up your project and you want to go to the plugin settings. You want to go to Betide Studio and you want to enable this Steam integration kit plugin. There's also one other plugin that you're going to need, and that is called Gameplay State Tree. This is something you need for the OMF framework. So once that's done, you want to close this down and open up your OMF project. Alright, so we want to go to content folder. So we want to migrate, and now we have to look for all the data tables within the system. So let's quickly collapse all these. Okay, so I want to go to core and collapse these as well. This just makes hunting down the data tables a lot more easier. Down. Just a couple more. Okay, so we want to start with equipment manager. So you want to get rid of DT ammo. That data table is empty. Back up here, collapse that, and we want to go down to inventory, and we want to unselect the DT items. There's nothing in that data table, so we can collapse that one as well, and then we'll go down to map management. Where are we? Over here, and then we want to we want to keep that one. Next one is vendors. Okay. Vendors is already set up in MST Pro, and you do not want to overwrite that. Okay, so collapse that. We want to go. Where are we? So we go to UI and look for DT common input. Okay. DT common input, we want to deselect that one as well. And close that. And the next one on the list is resource pack. We want to deselect DT colorways. That should be further down. Around here somewhere. Was it further up, was it? There we go. DT colors, and that's all you need. That's all the data tables you need to deselect because you don't want to migrate those ones. The only ones you want to migrate are the state effects, playable maps, UI styles. Okay, so we can go ahead and migrate that to MST Steam content, select folder, hide it all, and overwrite. It was done without any errors, so let's go ahead and save and close out. Now what we want to do is go to the folder, we want to go to config, and we want to go to default INI, default engine INI. Open this up. So instead of copy and pasting all the files in there, we're just going to do control find, and then we're going to look at these up one by one. So we want to go to Betide's configuration page, and then we want to scroll down to 5.5, and we want to go here, and we want to highlight just these two, and then we'll go we'll search for online subsystem UTIL list, and then you'll be taken to down here. By default, it's set to 200,000. You want to highlight these two, and then copy and paste. And that's your first one. And this one here, you can highlight the entire one. There's no online subsystem Steam script at the moment, so you're gonna have to create that yourself. So I'm gonna just put it below here, and the next one we're gonna search for engine, and that should bring us up to here. Now we're going to add these two lines, so scroll all the way to here, copy, and then we're going to go down here, copy and paste, and then we're going to come back here. We're going to search for console variables, and as we can see here, it is already set up there for you, so you don't have to add this part again. So next we're going to look for the online subsystem. So we can type in here, online subsystem. So you want to scroll to the second one here, so this one here, and you want to backspace to here and type in Steam with a capital S. Okay, so once that's done, you want to save it, and then you can close out. Okay, so this part here is done. So now we're going to move on to adding the add-on files for Steam. So where you want to go is you want to go to HYPERS Discord channel, and you want to download the OMF Betide zip file here. Once it's download, you just go to your downloads and you open up this file, go down to Hyper, and you want to open up a secondary file from your project folder. So this one will be open here, and this one here. So once you have them side by side, content, Hyper, content, Hyper. So the first one, you want to go to core. Okay. So you want to go down to generic. Okay, blueprints. Where are we? Function libraries. Okay. So you want to copy. You want to paste and replace the file. Okay. You want to go back and you want to go. You can skip this online multiplayer framework because this one is an EOS file, and you well, if you're watching this video, you're doing Steam instead, so you can skip this one. You can go to Session Manager instead. Where are we? Session Manager. So you want to go to macro library first. Then you want to copy and then paste, replace, and then you want to go to online subsystem, and you want to copy and paste them again. Place. Then you want to go back to blueprints, and then you want to copy and paste. Then we want to go to subsystems. Then you want to copy just the Steam file here. You don't need the Epic Online Service one unless you're doing crossplay. Then you can use both EOS and Steam, but for this tutorial we're just going to take the Steam file. Put that there. And go back. So core, and now we'll head back to Hyper, and then we'll go to information prompt. Yeah, blueprints. Copy, paste, and replace. So done for this one, and then we go down to Session Manager. We go blueprints, Session Manager. I'm going to copy this entire folder and paste it here. Then I open it up, and as you can see, there's 2 for Steam and 2 for EOS, subsystem manager and player. So we want to get rid of the stuff for EOS. Just leave what's behind for Steam, and that's all good. And we can close this out, and now we can load into Steam again. Not Steam, MST Pro. Okay. So what we want to do here is we want to open up AC session. So the first one we're going to edit is session manager base. We'll open this up. Okay. So you want to go to class defaults and you want to come over here to the settings, and where it says custom online subsystem component, click down here and you want to add your Steam subsystem manager. Once that's done, you compile, save. Now you want to come back to AC session. You want to go to AC session communicator this time. You want to do the same, class defaults, and you want to come over here to settings, online subsystem player component, and you want to select your component here. Selecting this is going to throw an error up in an EOS file, so we're going to compile this, save it, and then we're going to minimize this one and solve this pin issue. Online subsystem player. Okay. Online subsystem underscore player. So open this up. We've got a pin issue here, and what you need to do is just delete this. You don't need it, it's part of EOS. So just click, tick the is logged in, compile, save, and the last things to check are your project settings, go to maps and modes, and your game instance class needs to be changed to BP game instance Steam. And once that's done, you want to change your editor startup map and game default map to map underscore main map underscore cave underscore OMF. Okay. For this one, alright, what you want to do is save all, and then you want to come down to your Steam integration kit and make sure your Steam app ID and dev app ID is set to 480. This is just for testing purposes. You want to give this one click, save, unclick once, save. Okay, so save all this, and if we've done everything right, Steam should be integrated. So what we want to do first is main menu, menu underscore OMF. OMF. Underscore. Okay, you want to select map underscore main menu underscore cave underscore OMF. You have to make sure this is changed before you do your standalone. But we're going to do viewport play first, just to check any compile errors. So that's working fine. So we want to cancel out of this. And now we can do a standalone game. If all goes right, the Steam overlay Steam login will automatically log in. So flag has come up, which means Steam has been successfully integrated. We can test this by going Shift tab, which will bring up Steam here. So your game overlay, your achievements, your notes. It's got everything you need. You can bring up your friends, etc. So Steam is integrated, so we can do host game check. Go play. Go host. The name session is login true. Game. Now we'll go to the loading screen. It should transition to another loading screen and then to the lobby. Okay, so here we are in the lobby. You can pretty much select anything you want to do, but for time purposes, we're going to just start a game, and it's going to take us to next map. So the Steam integration is a success, and yeah, so I'll quickly show you that you can join in the session. Let's quickly start a second standalone. I start one here. Let's see. We'll start 2 new ones. Finished. Play, post. Start game. So let's make this player over here. This one, we'll go browse. So one session should pop up. Shortly. Well, maybe not. Maybe we need a different Steam ID to join in. Oh well. Yeah, so hosting games are definitely set up. Yeah, so that's basically it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.